Hey, are you filming?
Hi guys, just finishing up. I have one more thing to do. Hold on. All set, ready to go. Welcome you guys. This video is going to be short and sweet, so make sure you watch till the end to hear your special treat. Oh my gosh, is that like perfect for October 1st or what? I'm so proud of myself, came up with that all by myself. I've been sitting here like holding it in for like 5 minutes and it's been killing me. I'm so excited because this is my first giveaway and we're gonna be doing this once a month. Setting sprays are wonderful. There are a few that I honestly love and they all do different things. So because I'm not a powder girl, which don't get me wrong, this is definitely something you can use over powder. You know, you can even powder and then set it with the setting spray if you wanted to. I just personally don't use powder, so setting sprays, primers, things like that are important to me because they're gonna make my makeup last as long as it would if I were setting it with powder. I wanted to show you, this is what we're gonna talk about because it's called Cover FX. It's 24-hour wear, pollution defense, and 100% alcohol free. This one here, you can use it a couple different ways. You can, of course, finish, and it has, so you wanna shake it up, you spray, and set your makeup at the very end as your last step. Or you can actually spray it, and this comes from Cover FX. You can actually spray it onto your brush or your beauty blender, and it will give you an even longer wear that way. So your makeup's not gonna budge. So that's kind of cool too. Here are the conditions for the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button, and comment below whether you've ever used Cover FX products before. I have quite a few and it keeps growing and growing that are in my makeup bag, and I'm starting to fall in love with the brand. Let me know if you've ever used it. If you haven't, maybe you'll win this guy and this will be your first one in your makeup bag. If you have used Cover FX, I'd love to hear the products that you have in your makeup bag. That's always interesting too. I'll post, or I will announce the winner in our second video of the week, which we'll post on Thursday. I'm so excited, you guys. This is super fun. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry, it's US only, and hopefully we'll get to expand that. Talk to you soon. Bye.